Hey guys, here's another update on the QuickShifter for the Yamaha R3. Today I mounted just the processor and some of the components just to make sure everything's working properly. I mounted the Bluetooth HM11 to talk to the phone. We have the Atmega 328 processor. We have a 5-volt regulator and the diode, this 1.5 amps diode, and also we have this tiny item here. uh, yeah, this one right here, that's a 3-volt regulator for this unit here. Since it doesn't run at 5 volts, it runs at 3.3 volts. So that's what I have. I connected everything. I already tested that. It's oh, also has a 20 megahertz crystal, so the processor is running at its maximum speed, which is 20 megahertz. And let me show you the configuration on how it's supposed to work. So the changes that I had to do, let me switch my view. So obviously you need to connect to the processor, and the fuses that I had to change. Oh, gotta power this up and connect so I can show you. Let me power it up. You'll see light up. We have a green light, this one indicating that we have 5-volt power, and we have a blinking LED saying that we have Bluetooth connectivity and is waiting for a connection. So now let me show you the settings here. Settings. So the fuses that I had to change. This is an older processor. I still have quite a bit of those, and the reason I don't want to just throw them away is because this ones are full swing uh, clock or crystal. So the signal of the crystal goes is a 2-volt signal as opposed to, I think it's 200 millivolts on the other processors. So this is resistant to noise. So this is perfect for the motorcycle, a full swing processor that can handle full swing oscillation. So these are my fuses if you want to copy them. And the only thing that I did is I changed this from 8 megahertz to an external full swing crystal, and I removed the divider, the what is it, the clock divider 8, which makes it run at 1 megahertz. I also I'm using the same code as before. I added just this loop here that every second is sending this message to the Bluetooth unit. So if we get a connection and everything's working perfectly, we'll see on the phone itself that we're gonna start getting this message. So let's it's already it's already in the processor. So let's just see um, if it's alive or not. Let me put it in the view a little more, right there. All right, so this is my handy application, and we are going to load the console because we want to see what is sending. Let me change some of the settings here to make everything bigger. Let me change the height to 500, and this one to 400, and let's make 10 lines. Say okay, so it looks a little bit bigger, and let's connect. So I haven't named that Bluetooth unit. It's an HM11 from HM Soft, so I'm gonna select that. You can see that the blue light now is solid. That means that it has a connection. and let's go through the additional settings to finish connecting, and we should start seeing a message. Where's the message? Did it not finish connecting? Oh, I didn't select the last one. There we go. Didn't select it. Did I miss it again? Oh my god. There we go. Alright, so there is the message saying QuickShifter, it's alive. And just to demonstrate that it is this one sending the message, I'm gonna change the code again, and then I'm gonna just send a different message. So as I send the unit, let's switch over, and you'll see the message change. Takes a while to program. You're gonna see this light blinking. There we go. Now sending the software back in, and there is the message. So the unit works. Still needs some components to be mounted. We still need the IGBTs and all the components that it needs for sensing and driving those IGBTs. So hopefully we'll have that tomorrow, and then the following day we'll do a test with coils, and by the weekend we should be able to test on the motorcycle. So we're getting close. All right, that's my quick update. Enjoy.